Right, this is a Honda CRV 2005 model. Quite a common fault is that the sat nav unit here fails after a while. Very common, so a lot of people replace them with an aftermarket unit, which I have here. Let me show you. There we go. So I bought this off of Facebook, and let's see if we can fit it. I've pre-installed the brackets, but I'll show you how it's done anyway. So what you do straight away, you remove this cover, this surround. There's 2 bolts, 2 Phillips screws that go there and there, which I've already taken off, and they are here. So that's what it is there. Okay, so once that's off, you can take this cover off. Let me see if I can prop it somewhere so I can show you how you do that. Like that. And you got a little, that's for the hazard warning light, just a little plug where you just push in one end and it'll pull out. There you go. So we can get that out of the way now. Right, there's normally 4 screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is got a bracket on it, which is I've already put it on the new unit. And you see here, there and there. 4 screws. It's a Phillips, but you've got to be very careful, because although it's a Phillips, it's also, I think it's an 8mm or a 10mm nut. I'd advise, if you're new to this, use an 8mm, because you can round them off quite easy. They're on quite tight, so probably use a socket there, and then that'll pull out like so. Once it's out, let me just prop it so then I can show you. Basically, there's some plugs here. Oh, first thing first, you've got to turn the ignition off. Okay, so there's you got your nav wire, you've got an aerial wire here that just pulls out. This one you just press a pin in and it pulls out. Again, a little tab there that pulls out. That's the main one, and I think that's the steering controls one. You pull out as well, and then this whole unit will come out. So let me show you that. Right, so yeah, the microphone one goes into this one here, but yeah, that's that. This is a Pioneer SPH 120DA or something like that. I'll put the stuff on the description anyway. So yeah, let's go ahead and fit that all now. See if you can see it all properly. Yeah, okay. So that I'll have to feed. This is the antenna. I'll have to feed that and somehow leave it on the dash somewhere out of the way. But I'll do that at a later time. So another thing I forgot to say is that these are the brackets that came off the old unit. I've taken the cage off the unit, the new unit, and I've removed that. This doesn't actually fit in the hole. So what I've done is I've reused the old bracket from the old unit, and there is some holes. You've got to be careful you don't screw into the actual motherboard or anything inside, but yeah, there's some holes. If you be careful, you'll find, and make sure you use small screws so you don't go through anything dangerous. But yeah, they're quite solid and level. So that's that, and then I'm quite happy that I've used the original bracket, because then I know it will fit much better than a cage. Right, so then this is quite tricky. Hold it up. So that's the ISO adapter. This is the original, this is the wiring harness that comes with the unit. Plug it in. It only goes in one way, so you can't get this wrong. There you go. There you go. That's that. I will find a adapter for the steering wheels eventually. That's that. That's that. Then it's a case of just putting it all in. without hitting any, catching any wires anywhere. There you go, just a little wiggle in. Going like that. So then you put the screws in. Right. 4 screws, 4 holes. That's what would have been on the original unit. So we'll put them in, line them up nicely, and be back. Let's see if I can show you the fascia plate. It's there you go, can you see it's slightly too big, so there is a way, I'm sure we could probably just cut that a little bit slightly just to get that in there to make it finish it off nicely there like that. But that's the new unit. Let's see, turn it on so you see how it sounds. There we go. There we go. Yeah, let's take that. Right, it says iPod, USB, and all that. Let's plug that in and see. Charging. Maybe it's working. Apple CarPlay on, iPod on, device, iPhone, iPod, USB, yes, yes, yes. Apple CarPlay function available. Right, how does it work then? So it's 229, 8th of the 8th. Yeah, wow, that's already set up because of the sat nav unit that's already in there. I'm guessing it straight away knows from satellite what time and day it is. Yeah, whatever. Nice. Oh, cool. Never had Apple CarPlay in this car before, so this is going to be nice. Cool. It's got songs on it already. Yep, cool. Nice. Does it have radio? That's radio. Okay, well, that's how it is. As you can see here, that's all working all nice there. So this is a Honda CRV 2005 model. It'll be the same in all Mark II CRVs. Yeah, pretty straightforward. A little bit of fiddling, but not too bad. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully I might be able to show you it all finished off you know, once I sort it out, but I need to do a bit of playing around to finish it all off nicely there. Alright, cheers.